Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a lightweight vacuum that can easily clean both carpets and hard floors, then the Eureka NEN 180 bagless canister vacuum cleaner is definitely worth checking out. It combines powerful suction, HEPA filtration, a bagless design, and easy maneuverability, making it a great choice for everyday home cleaning. Let's start with performance. The NEN 180 features a powerful 8.3 amp motor with adjustable suction, allowing you to clean everything from hardwood floors and tiles to rugs and low-pile carpets. Whether you're picking up dust, crumbs, or pet hair, it provides strong and consistent cleaning performance. Pause. One of its biggest advantages is the HEPA Complete Seal filtration system, which traps 99.9% of dust, allergens, and dander. This makes it an excellent option for families with pets or anyone who wants cleaner indoor air while vacuuming. Another feature you'll appreciate is the bagless 2-liter dust container. Since there are no bags to replace, maintenance is simple and more affordable over time. Just empty the dust cup, wash the filters when needed, and you're ready for the next cleaning session. It also includes automatic cord rewind, making storage quick and hassle-free. Pause. Despite its powerful performance, the vacuum is lightweight and easy to move around furniture or carry upstairs. The telescoping wand and extended reach also make it easy to clean stairs, curtains, shelves, ceilings, and other hard-to-reach areas without much effort. The only thing to keep in mind is that, like most bagless vacuums, you'll need to empty the dust container regularly and clean the washable filters to maintain peak suction. Some users also prefer bagged models for easier dust disposal, but the bagless design saves money on replacement bags. Pause. Overall, if you want a lightweight, versatile vacuum with strong suction, HEPA filtration, and easy maintenance, the Eureka NEN 180 is an excellent value. It's a smart choice for apartments, family homes, and anyone looking for reliable everyday cleaning. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.